Hello everyone, my name is Cherry from class K3. Don's Hiccups. Words. Phonic words. Beautiful. Cheers. Comes. Competition. Crowd. Dawn. Dance. Down. Ears. Enter. Fingers. Hair. Lemon. Music, nervous, nurse, put, scare, she, shouts, slice, surprise, television, water. And, but, can't, drink, glass, gives, go, happy, has, have, her, hiccups, I, in, is, it, is, mother, no, earth, on, place, sing, sings, song, still, suck, the, upside, will, jar. Dawn enters a competition. She will sing on television. Hic, hic, hic. Dawn is nervous. Oh no, I can't sing. I have hiccups. Dawn's mother gives her a scare. Surprise! Hic, hic. Dawn still has hiccups. Put your fingers in your ears. Hic. But Dawn still has hiccups. Suck on the slice of lemon. Hic. But Dawn still has hiccups. A nurse gives Dawn a glass of water. Drink is upside down. Dawn's hiccups go. She is happy. She combed her hair. The music plays. She sings her songs. It's beautiful. The crowd shouts and cheers. The end.